AAA presents Happily Ever After. Collision versus Comprehensive Insurance. Chapter 1, the SUV. Not long ago, in a land not very far away, there lived a magnificent driver, Jessie, and her noble chariot, a red SUV named Ed. Now Jessie, like many drivers, thought all car insurance was the same, but one rainy day she learned that two coverages, comprehensive and collision, were very different. Chapter 2, the storm. First came the storm. A mighty gust blew in, and a gigantic tree branch fell on Ed. But fear not, Jessie had comprehensive insurance from AAA. That meant that damage from the weather, falling objects, and things like theft or even rogue shopping carts were covered. Later on, things took a turn, literally. Chapter 3, the squirrel. A daring squirrel dashed into the street, causing Jessie to swerve and hit a fence. Since she had caused the crash, collision insurance, which covers damage from hitting things like fences, trees, or other cars, stepped in. And so Jessie and Ed lived on, happily ever insured. Moral of the story, a AAA insurance agent like me can find the right coverage for you.